Digi Capital 2017 saw $3 billion invested in ARVR, half in Q4 alone. Above, ARVR investments from 2011 to 2017, right-click to expand. ARVR Advisor Digi Capital's new augmented, virtual reality report and deals database Q1 2018 showed that investment was lumpy, with huge spikes in the second and fourth quarters. Historical investment ranges have been lower. Fundraising was also dominated by a few large deals in specific investment categories. ARVR Cortex saw around $4 of every $10 invested, with some of the standouts being scalable immersive worlds tech developer Improbable, now that's ironic, raising $500 million, and graphics engine developer Unity taking in another $200 million. Smartglasses took just under a fifth of all the money raised, dominated by the latest Magic Leap monster round of $500 million. Mobile R games leader Niantic, of Pokémon Go fame, raised $200 million, which helped the games category take a bit over one-tenth of the cash. Smaller ARVR games developers raised nearly 40 early-stage rounds in Niantic's wake, so Pikachu is helping spread the wealth. Other categories taking single-digit percentage shares of the funds were ARVR photo, video, navigation, peripherals, location-based, lifestyle, social and entertainment. However, the scale of investments in those sectors was not the same as the big three of ARVR tech, Smartglasses, and games. Smaller ARVR investment categories taking tens of millions of dollars each were VR headsets, education, advertising, marketing, medical, music, utilities and solutions, services. Single-digit million-dollar categories were ARVR business, news, e-commerce, travel, transport, art, design, enterprise and sports. Above, the VCs involved in ARVR investment. Right-click to expand. Last year also saw a sea change in terms of VC behavior, driven in no small part by the rise of mobile R in the more advanced stage of computer vision, machine learning, CV/ML. That shift saw VCs cooling on VR in the first half of the year, with a number of startups pivoting to where the money is commercially and for fundraising. Digi Capital interviewed nearly 30 leading Sand Hill Road and Chinese VCs in the fourth quarter, and strong themes emerged on how VCs are thinking and investing around ARVR today. The ARVR market, particular mobile R and smart glasses, is at the earliest stages of what it could become, and seasoned early-stage investors know that it will take time to scale. So despite recent ARVR investment records, the first half of this year will demonstrate whether or not that trend will continue. Roll on 2018. Full details are in ARVR Advisor Digi Capital's new augmented, virtual reality report and deal database Q1 2018. Tim Merrill is Managing Director of ARVR Advisor Digi Capital. Country required. By checking this box, you are confirming you are an adult 18 years or older and you agree to Intel contacting you with marketing-related emails or by telephone. You may unsubscribe at any time. Intel's websites and communications are subject to our privacy notice.